Hey guys, how y'all doing? I just wanted to come to you real quick and share with you a deal I did at my 7-Eleven convenience store. I did this deal before, and I told you when I did it then, make sure you keep checking the app because you never know when the promotions are going to pop up. So I'm going to show you the deal I did today, or just a few minutes ago actually. So the deal is this right here. Okay, the promotion is $20 off of a $30 app order. So you go on the app and you order, I'm gonna order $30 worth of stuff. I know this promotion is gonna come off $20 off of my $30 worth of stuff. Okay, and then I'm left to pay the balance. So in ordering $30 worth of stuff, yeah, I'm left to pay roughly $10, but then I have, $10, and then I'm left to, depending on how close I get to the 30. But then I got to pay tax, which is $1.43. So in the end, I'm paying $11 and some change. Not quite $12, $11 and some change. What I got was 12 items. So that's basically like a little less than $1 an item. So let me show you what I did. I ordered the pizza right off the bat. These pizzas this is a large pizza from 7-Eleven. It's usually like $7.99, but I got the pepperoni extreme. Now I'm gonna show you this pizza. Pepperoni extreme, large size pizza. Heavily inundated with the pepperoni. You see that? Not too shabby. These were on sale. So the pepperoni extreme. So normally that would be $10.99. It was on sale, I think $6.99 or something like that. So I got one of that. Put that in the cart. Now remember, we got 12 items for $11 and some change already. $1 an item. So boom, I got this, right? I kept loading up my cart because remember, I gotta get to $30. I ordered these. They made these while I was waiting on my order. So these are potato wedges. These are potato wedges. They're normally like $2.50 for 10. Okay, you can see the steam on the bag. I don't know if you can see that or not, but those are piping hot. So already we got a pizza and potato wedges. I still got to get up to $30, right? Oh yeah, you get your napkins. They even throw in some plasticware. Gave me 4 of those. Okay, getting that order up to $30. There we go, some donuts. My favorite, by the way. I got 2 of those. Okay, y'all keep a track. Okay, I'm getting on up to 30. Getting on up to 30. Cinnamon sugar. These are donuts, by the way. Okay, let's see. More donuts. These are the chocolate ones. Okay. More donuts. Remember, we paying less than $1 per item. More donuts. Okay. So I got a total of, there we go, more plasticware. So I got a total of, I got 2 of these cinnamon sugar. I got 2 of the chocolate donuts. I got 2 of these, what are they like, toasted coconut donuts. I'm not done yet because we got to get up to $30. I got a mixed berry Danish. At this point, just with the pizza alone, I already got my money's worth. But cheese Danish, this is very much looking like take my snack to work, right? This one is a bear claw. And one more, y'all, apple Danish. So, remember, I paid $11 and some change. My order was $30 and some change. Using this promotion code, $20 came off Saturday 20. Okay, you can pay with your card, you can pay with your app wallet, whatever you want to do. It only took 10 minutes for my order to be ready. I got 4 Danishes. I got 6 packs of donuts. I got potato wedges. And I got this pizza. You see? You feel me? Using the 7-Eleven 7 Rewards app. And the promotion code Saturday 20. And I paid $11 and some change. Okay. Hope you guys have a chance to use it. I'm not sure when it expires, but the point is, always check your apps. Always look for promotions. And do the deal that makes sense to you. Have a great day, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.